Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to all my dear students. How are you doing today? I hope you are doing fine, staying safe at home with your family. So welcome to the English online lesson with Teacher EU. Today we are going to learn Unit 9 of the Year 6 syllabus under the title A Heart of Gold. We are going to use the Year 6 textbooks, page 86 as our reference. In this lesson, you are going to, number 1, read a recipe. Number 2, transfer information to a table. And number 3, make your own cooking video. Introduction. So boys and girls, today we are going to talk about cooking. But before we go further, let's talk about some famous chefs nowadays. Do you know any of them? There are lots of talented chefs in Malaysia and they have gone viral. For example, we have Chef Wan. Then we have the famous Cik Noh. Cik Noh has millions of followers in her YouTube channel. And then we have Khairul Aming, Sheila Rusli, and Chef Amar. So these are all the examples of successful chefs in Malaysia. Now, let's go to the lesson for the day. Today, we are going to look at the recipe of a butter cupcake. Okay, kita nak tengok recipe, cara nak buat butter cupcake. Let's go. So, boys and girls, this recipe is taken from your textbook, page 86. Okay. So, Kamini is planning to make cupcakes for her visit to a home for the elderly. Kamini nak buat cupcake untuk bawa ke rumah elderly, rumah orang-orang tua. Here is the recipe she used. So, ini resipi yang dia guna. Ingredients. Ingredients means bahan-bahan. So, what are the ingredients need to make the butter cupcake? Okay, we need 110 gram butter softened. Okay, butter softened means yang dilembutkan. 110 caster sugar, gula caster. 110 gram plain flour, okay, tepung. 2 medium eggs, okay, medium maksudnya saiz sederhana. Telur saiz sederhana. 2 teaspoon baking powder, 2 sudu kecil baking powder. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, okay, 1 sudu kecil extract vanilla. 1/4 teaspoon salt, sudu kecil garam. Chocolate sprinkles, okay, taburan coklat. So these are the steps to make the butter cupcake. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees. Okay, panaskan oven 180 darjah. Line a muffin tin with paper cups. Okay, muffin tin, tray yang muffin yang lubang-lubang banyak tu. Okay, so put the paper cups. Put the butter and sugar in a bowl. Okay, letak butter dan sugar dan gula dalam mangkuk. Beat until light and fluffy with an electric mixer. Okay, pukul sehingga ringan dan fluffy, gebu dengan electric mixer, pengadun elektrik. Sieve the flour, baking powder and salt into the bowl. Okay, means ayak tepung, baking powder dan garam dalam mangkuk. Beat the eggs and vanilla in a separate bowl. Okay, pukul telur and vanilla tadi in a separate bowl. Dalam mangkuk yang berlainan, separate bowl. Then add to the mixture. Okay, lepas tu tambahkan dalam mixture tadi, mixture yang butter and sugar. Fold until it is combined. Okay, fold maksudnya kacau sampai rata. Combine sampai dia mesra. Spoon the mixture into the paper cups. Okay, maksudnya sudukan adunan itu ke dalam paper cup. Bake for 18 to 20 minutes. Okay, bakar 18 hingga 20 minit. Remove from the oven. Okay, keluarkan daripada oven. Cool for 10 minutes. Okay, sejukkan untuk 10 minit. Transfer onto a wire rack to cool completely. Okay, so letakkan dekat atas wire rack untuk sejukkan betul-betul. Put chocolate sprinkles on the cupcakes. Okay, letakkan chocolate sprinkle atas cupcake. Okay, so that is how we make the butter cupcake. Now, let's answer some questions based on the recipe just now. Complete the table using the information from the recipe. Okay, so now this is the table. We have two columns here. We have the equipment and ingredients. Equipment means perkakas. Perkakas apa yang kita guna untuk buat butter cupcake tadi. Ingredients is bahan-bahan. Bahan-bahan apa yang kita guna untuk buat cupcake. Alright, so now let's look at the equipment first. We have oven. Then we have muffin tin. What else do we have? Electric mixer, bowl, paper cups, and lastly, wire racks. Okay, now let's look at the ingredients, bahan-bahan. Butter, caster sugar, flour, eggs, baking powder, vanilla extract, salt, and chocolate sprinkles. So now this is the task for today's lesson. Make your own cooking video. In the video, you must, number 1, introduce the equipment and ingredients you use to make your dish. Number 2, show steps to make the dish. Okay, so tugas awak hari ini ialah awak kena buat satu video masakan sendiri. Okay, but in the video you must have the equipment. Awak mesti beritahu perkakas apa yang awak guna. And the ingredients, bahan apa yang awak guna. And then show the steps. Tunjukkan cara-cara nak buat dish awak tu. Okay, it doesn't matter what kind of dish you want to do. Okay, as long as you have all these features in your video. Right, so send your video in our Telegram group, but don't forget to use English in your video, okay, not other language. Alright, so that's all for today, guys. As usual, if you have any problems, feel free to ask me through the Telegram. So take care and don't forget to study. Goodbye.